Hi, I'm Loretta, and I'm really glad that you showed up today. Welcome to my sewing room.
Hi everyone. I just wanted to let you know what I've been up to for the past several months. I've begun to make bags, and I've started with some small crossbody bags with machine embroidery. I've been doing some tote bags, waxed canvas, and I've used some other materials like corduroy and also Pendleton wool. And here's another one with waxed canvas and Pendleton wool. And then I started to work with cork and created some cork handbags and some crossbody bags with cork incorporated as well and machine embroidery. Some men's toiletry bags made out of cork and printed cork as well. More waxed canvas. And then here's another one with cork and linen. This one also is made out of cork fabric. And this particular customer also requested that I do a custom wallet that matched the purse. I decided to also do some makeup brush rolls with cork. And then I got into working with leather. And this is my first all leather bag that I made. And I also decided to use Pendleton wool with leather. And also a leather bag. This is Italian leather, and also a handmade leather tassel on this one. And this is another Italian leather bag made with Italian lambskin and some crackle finished deer skin. Another Pendleton wool and leather bag. And now finally is a Italian leather bag that I made as a custom order for a friend. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this and seeing what I've been up to. And I will be leaving a link in the description box for my Facebook page for my bag making. So thanks for joining me. See y'all later. Bye.